Hi guys, and welcome to Cardmaking with Crystal. Today I'm showing you how to make a snowflake spinner card for Christmas. Spinner cards are perfect for any occasion. All you have to do is replace the spinning element with anything. Today it's a snowflake, tomorrow it could be a cupcake. You get the point. Let me show you. So adorable. Let's make it. Okay, so we're going to do a really cool spinner card, which means we need this. And this is basically everything you need for the card. I'm going to cut out 2 of these. Okay, so we got 2 snowflakes. I also cut out some cute regular snowflakes out of some glitter paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with scoring my base card. If your base card is 8.5 by 5.5, you're going to score on 4.25. Fold and burnish. And we're going to open it. The reason why we fold and burnish is just so we can have a perfect border for this piece on the inside, is we're going to make the cutout for the snowflake without sticking this down, because you want to stick it down after. So we're going to stick these together. Let's bring in our snowflake die and see where it's at. Center this cutout circle around it. I like where that looks. Let's stick it down. And let's cut this out. At this point, you want to make sure that it cuts straight through, and once it did, that's great. So we're going to move. So my washi tape damaged my card, boo-hoo, but what you're going to do is you're going to stick something on top of that, so it's no problem. Let's line up this card like this, because this is exactly where it's going to be lined up. And we're going to set up our snowflake. Take your fishing line and run some glue here, here, and here. Run your fishing line straight through it. Of course, you're going to put more glue. And take your other snowflake and put it over this one. Lock in the fishing line inside your snowflake. So our fishing line is inside our snowflake really nicely. Look how beautiful that looks. All right, we're going to take a moment right now and remove this, and we're going to center our snowflake on the inside of our card. If you line your card up with your craft mats, then you can get a good center for everything. Right. We're going to put glue up here. And stick the top of our fishing line first. I always support it in addition with some tape. I just think it's some extra support. Put some glue at the bottom. Bring it down. And you're not making it too tight. You just want it because you have to spin. You're not pulling, you're just, making sure it's as tight as it could be without pulling too hard. Right. And now I'm going to stick this down on it. So you're putting glue all over the back of this, especially paying attention to these corners. Put in some more glue on top, especially close to where this will be sticking. And we're sticking this as planned directly on the card, like so. I always put an additional, some more pressure at the top and at the bottom of these so that it sticks perfectly. One of the reasons why this break didn't matter, it's because we're going to put our huge sentiment all the way up there. Okay, this should be dry by now. I'm going to take off these things and make sure I can play with it. Right, perfect. Try to pull the string. If you can move the string, it's not dry yet, do not cut it. If you can't move the string, like how I can't move mine, I've been off away from this desk for maybe a couple minutes. Well, go ahead and cut it off. Perfect. We're going to stick our sentiment to the top. Put the inside in the card so that that beautiful snowflake could be against something white, which would look a little better. Once you've done this, you're going to take it and you're going to spin this around at least 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times until you feel it's getting a little tight. Close it, put it in your envelope, give it to the person, and when they get the card and they open it, they will. It's really amazing. Thanks so much for joining me while we played. This is such an adorable card. I hope you make it. If you like this video, you can give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. And I hope you have a really Merry Christmas.